channel. I'm so glad you decided to join me today. I hope you are having a fabulous new year. I missed you guys. I didn't pick up the camera as much during the holidays, but I did put together a little video. I hope this video can be motivational to you. Crank up the music if you've got something to do around your house. Just crank up the music and let's get going. So I want to give a special thanks as always to the subscribers who continue to support my channel and to those who decide to join the family today. Much love to everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video.
I wasted all my time, I wasted all my nights, I wasted it on someone who's indifferent. He didn't love me right, he told me I was blind, but I never really wanted to listen. You have been here since day one, see my ups and downs, never left my side once, yeah you stuck around. Who knew it was you? You have been here all along, you have always been the one, yeah who knew it was you? You have always been the one, that's the truth. You have been here all along. I never saw the signs, it didn't treat me right, but I just couldn't let him go. You waited patiently, you waited for me, you showed me what it was to love. You have been here since day one, see my ups and downs, never left my side once, yeah you stuck around. Who knew it was you? You have been here all along, you have always been the one, yeah who knew it was you? You have always been the one, that's the truth. You have been here all
Beautiful people, it is New Year's Eve and I've got a quick little grocery haul. Some things I'm going to be using this afternoon to make up some little snacks for us for New Year's Eve tonight, and a few extra things too. You know I love my orange chicken, I haven't bought it in a while. Thought I would get it today from Publix. The steamed vegetables were on sale, got a couple of those. Wanted to try the salt-free Mrs. Dash lemon pepper seasoning, salt-free, so wanted to give that a try. I haven't bought my sun-dried tomatoes for my pasta dishes in a while, so got that. You know my juices were on sale. These are my favorite. These are my favorite. Pineapple coconut, lemon perfect water, and the palms. And I've been looking for some chili oil. I never used this brand before, but I bought that this time. Hopefully it's okay. The color looks about the same as the other brand I used to buy. Got some brioche buns, gotta love them. Probably will make some fish sandwiches with those. Chocolate covered strawberries, so easy, you guys. I think you just heat this chocolate up in the microwave, dip your strawberries, boom, ready to go. Got some more fruit over here. Cherries, avocado, blackberries, and y'all, I've never had a yellow dragon fruit. And they said the red one with the red flesh in the inside is one of the best. And this is a close best, the yellow. So we'll see what that's like. And so for my kiddos, got them some white grape sparkling, because the hubs and I will have our, I don't have it in here. I'll have to run and show y'all what we have. But yeah, this is for the kiddos, the non-alcoholic white grape juice cocktail. That's what they'll be drinking. And I'm gonna make a really tiny charcuterie board myself, try to. And here's a 3 meat pack. Yeah, so it's got the prosciutto, the capicola, and the Italian dry salami. And you know, I love me some Gouda. My husband said, let's get the spicy one this time. So we got the spicy, savory bowl Gouda chipotle. I'm gonna probably make a meatloaf on Sunday. So I just got an oven ready little meatloaf. Y'all, this cheese right here, I forgot who had it at their house and I tasted it, but this blueberry vanilla goat cheese, baby. And it says limited edition, so maybe it's only around this time of the year. When I tell you, the bomb, delicious, delicious. Just put on some crackers. It's sweet, it's, oh my God, that's the best cheese. Got some Ruffles, and of course, you know, old school French onion dip, and a couple of choices on crackers. These everything bagel chip crackers, delicious. And then I've got Artesian Collection from Kellogg's Toasteds, and it's got Buttercrisp, Harvest Sweet, and the Rosemary Olive Oil. Those are really good. And then I just got some vegetable egg rolls, P.F. Chang's version, and a little chicken breast dip. I normally make my own, but this is the perfect size for us. It's a pound of it. I've already got the Tostito chips in my pantry, so I didn't have to buy those, but this pretty much wraps up my little New Year's Eve haul. kiddos are having a little just sparkling white grape. We're about to do our little toast. The grown-ups are having, you can see there. Happy New They ugly, y'all, but they so good. When that big one right there. Y'all, it's really about the chocolate and some good ripe strawberries, but y'all, yes. They peel up after that. Ooh. Look at that. I'll let y'all have the first bite. First bite. First bite. There you go. Thank you later. It's the bomb. Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year, you guys. We're back. Oh my goodness, 2023. So what are we getting into this year? A little bit of everything. I'm ready for the ride. I am so ready for the ride, y'all. I'm excited about the new year. I've got plans for the channel, things like that. Still gonna be vlogging, but you'll see some special videos here and there on some home improvement stuff. So if you like that kind of stuff, before and afters and home improvement, then I'll have a special playlist for those because of some things that are going to be happening around my house soon. So yeah, y'all, I'm loving this lip gloss, like, y'all. So that was a Christmas gift. Yeah, but I'm loving this lip gloss. I'm loving this lip gloss, y'all. I love it, I love it, I love it. So anyway, I hope you guys have had a fabulous vacation, holiday, Christmas if you celebrate, your time off, whatever, your time with your family, your friends. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed mine. I tried not to pick up the camera too much. I really wanted to enjoy my family, so I miss you guys. And I'm just excited. It's a new year. But anyway, I hope you guys had a fabulous break, and I'm glad to be back. I love y'all, and ain't nothing you can do about it. Remember, one kind word to someone can really brighten up and make their day. So, you know, you see somebody out, sometimes it's just a smile. You know what I'm saying? It can be as simple as a smile. So, smile, kind word, goes a long way. And I will see you guys on the next one. Until next time, peace. peace, and love. Love you guys.
Move exactly the number of spaces on the game. We'll adjust the numbers using navigation down after each search. All right, so let's see. This goes to 1. Down to 6.
It means we move into. We get to move 6. The goal of the game is to get, I think, what's the goal of the game, y'all? Where do we end?
Right here.
Oh, there's the finish.
About
Yeah.
an hour.
So this is a really long process. We usually only play 1 round because it's a really long game. But there's the finish line, and we are way down there. Y'all, if we lose all our field, then it's over. I just rolled out again. Okay, so we're looking for a wheelbarrow and all of this. Ready to set the timer? Looking for a wheelbarrow. Go! There's a wheelbarrow there. Found another one. Oh, there's one right there. This stuff is so little, y'all. It's so hard to find. We're halfway. Hold on. We're halfway. Y'all, we finished. We made it to the finish line. Yay! And we had how much fuel to spare? We had 4 left before we ran out of gas. Yay! Hold on. This game is called, I found it, Journey Through Time. Hidden picture game. And it's really small, but it's fun.